The other thing that's really core to generative UI in Figma is that it consumes a design system because that's the way that we work as designers in Figma. We're typically not all that much drawing rectangles from scratch anymore when we're designing something. We've got the building blocks and the pieces already in place, and we just sort of fit these Lego pieces together to create a design. And that's exactly how Make Designs works. It understands what components to use and pieces them together, overrides component properties, fills in variables for theming, and makes the use of the state-of-the-art in Figma design systems to give you a design that's a starting point for inspiration. And I think that hints at the future where you'll be able to use it with your own design system as well.
I want to talk about jumping to get to the point where you're actually using your own system, but just even to clarify a little bit, because when I was originally seeing the feature, I didn't even realize that it was pulling from a design system that you internally build behind the scenes. Like, can you just talk about that a little bit more? Like, what did that take to pull off?
Yeah, we made the product decision pretty early on that in order to introduce this feature to Figma, you needed to be able to use it without having an existing design system. And that really speaks to the idea that we want to empower even non-designers to be able to get an idea on the canvas, a first draft. And so in the process of thinking through that, we knew that we had to build a design system that it worked with out of the box. And we decided that we want to let people generate both mobile apps if they want to and websites if they want to. So we had two absolutely amazing folks helping to do a ton of work to build these design systems that AI consumes, just so that we can make sure we cover a wide variety of use cases for people that want to use this feature out of the box. There's a lot of work we need to do to make sure that it works really well with any arbitrary design system, which is quite the challenge in the future. But yes, we poured a lot of work into making sure that the first version outputs something great out of the box, and you don't even have to have a library to start.